Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to prepare fish curry only with fish's head and tail. So these are the ingredients. Before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's prepare a hot and spicy mouth-watering fish curry. Heat the pan, add half cup of vegetable oil or coconut oil. When you found oil is getting heat, add few fenugreek seeds. Wait till slight color changes. Then add cumin seeds. Once it starts cracking, add 2 sliced onions. Saute for 5 minutes till it gets transparent. Add 2 sliced tomatoes. Stir it until it gets softened. Along add 4 green chillies. Cook this for 5 minutes. So now we can add tomato onion paste. Give a nice stir. Now I am gonna add cumin powder and turmeric powder. Saute till raw smell goes. Add red chilli powder. You can also add kashmiri chilli powder 1 tablespoon along with this. Again give a nice mix. Add coconut paste and cook for 5 minutes. Not forget to mix. So here I am adding first thick coconut milk. Mix it nicely. After cooking for 5 minutes, add required turmeric paste. I feel this much is enough cause we already added tomatoes, tomato paste and we're gonna add raw mangoes. Add second squeezed water from ground coconut. Now I am adding coriander powder. Actually we have to add this before adding wet ingredients. I mean along with chili powder, but I forgot it. No worries, you can add this way also. Mix it well. Make sure shouldn't be lumps. Add required salt, mix well and cover with lid. Allow to boil till oil gets separated. See the oil separation process. Now you can see here oil is floating. I already cleaned my fish's head and tail and marinated with salt and little turmeric powder. Stage you can add fish head and tail. boil for 3 minutes in high flame. Now the oil is completely separated. See, the oil is floating over here. Now the fish is also well cooked. Add fish and allow to boil for 3 minutes. Immediately add raw mango pieces. Sprinkle it with some coriander leaves. Again allow to boil it for 5 minutes. Once the raw mango gets cooked well, switch off the flame. Yes, now the fish curry is ready to serve. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Follow me in Instagram. I have given a link in description. Thanks for watching.